Hello YouTubers! Helmet Head here. So, what we're going to chat about today? Let's chat about luggage. A little about panniers, soft panniers, leather bags. I've had them all, and roll bags as well. So, that's a hard way to put it really, isn't it? Depending what you're going to do is what basically you need as always. But I'll tell you what I have done. I didn't have anything on my Bonneville when I was going away, and I bought a roll bag, and again, not a big expensive one. I think it was about either 30 to 50 quid, I can't remember exactly, but it's quite good. You basically put your stuff in, and you can put as much as you like and as little as you like, and you can roll at the end, and then it straps to your bike. And it comes with the anchor straps and stuff like that, and they're alright. The one thing I did do with it though is I used elasticated straps on top of the straps that they had to hold it into place, because that way there's some give in it, and in the end I ended up just using the elastic straps to hold the bag on, because the other straps kept drooping down. It's quite good though, because you can put quite a lot of kit in. The one thing I'll say of all panniers, and this would be my big advice if you're going on a big trip, is put your clothes and your bits and bobs inside of a bin bag or a bag that's sealed inside your panniers, because they all tell you how waterproof they are. And let's think about this. The amount of things they tell us are waterproof that aren't on a big downpour, and that bags are definitely. Water seems to find places to seep in, so you're almost double protecting it by doing that. Hard panniers are fantastic and expensive. I've got a set of the Givey ones with this, and they are brilliant. But what I understand of hard panniers is, and people probably disagree with this, but if you're doing a lot of off-roading and on and off, and you fall off your bike, they can tend to get damaged quite quickly and quite easily, so they recommend going for soft panniers. Soft panniers are I wouldn't say the word fantastic as I always do, but are great as well. Soft panniers you can use for multiple bikes, and as long as you've got the right rack to make sure they stay away from the rear wheel, they're pretty good. And there's plenty out there in different sizes as well. There's also a company out there that if you research it, that you can buy. It's like it's basically like the rack you use to put your top box on. But they do different bag versions of different sizes that you can basically clip into that works really, really well. That looks quite good, I've got to say. I bought one of their racks once, and it worked well. It fitted the bike well. It took a long time to arrive, mind you, and that was disappointing on the times that it took. Let's wait for this car to go. So you've got to think about it. I mean, you've got the option of a rucksack as well. If you're looking for the cheapest, and you can go away for a weekend I'd definitely recommend buy yourself a roll bag. Roll bags are the cheapest, easiest. Chuck them on the back seat and strap it down, basically. And then you can look at getting yourself a rucksack for your sort of, the stuff you need your day-to-day as jumping off of the bike. If you're going for a massive trip, you've got to look at having probably all panniers, a roll bag, and plus straps to be able to put down a tent. Think about when you're doing these trips though, obviously, and the kit that you're going to take, and the weight you're going to put on the back of the bike as well, because you can massively overdo it and take well too much stuff. But that's pretty much it for the old pannier side of things. Nice and quick video again on there. If you do us a big favour, like and put yourselves a thumbs up, that would be brilliant. And we look forward to more of me yapping on as always in the next video. Thank you very much, and goodbye.